friends. I am Dr. Amitaabh Verma. I have a 50 years experience of clinical medicine. The reason, despite being a neuroscientist, I am here is that I myself felt sick with COVID. At the peak of the second wave, I was down with fever, cough, chest infection, like many more doctors who, while seeing the patients, contracted the illness. But the point of interest was, at that particular time also, two of my good friends, colleagues, also contracted COVID, not in this hospital. They were working in some other hospital, different hospital in Delhi, and both of them ultimately succumbed to COVID. Unfortunately, like many more doctors in the country, Delhi, and rest of the world also. However, the point of interest was both of them were vaccinated. Despite being fully vaccinated, they contracted illness, they fell sick, then they died also, unfortunately. Whereas I was not vaccinated. I was unvaccinated. Reason was that I was having allergy at that particular time. I could not take the shot at that time of vaccine. But I could come out of it because of the good wishes of my friends, my well-wishers, my patients. I must tell you that during the period, during isolation, I was pondering nothing else but why is it that this is affecting many people despite being vaccinated. Mind it, this was a new illness. For everyone it was new. For every doctor it was new. So being a physician, basically, I started working on it and thinking about it. The point was that why? My question was, why the vaccinated people died and unvaccinated person survived of the same illness? I thought about it, and at that particular time, there was a pandemic all over the world. Every brain in this world was preoccupied with this, not only COVID and coronavirus. And this was very evident from the fact that this was behaving like a terrorist. It was a terrorist attacking every individual across the globe. No caste, color, creed, but every person was involved, affected by it, and the society was, literally speaking, paralyzed financially, economically, socially, everything. This terrorist is holding many people hostages, but look at this terrorist. In a crowded places where people are working normally, the virus is there which will affect millions and millions of people, and had affected that. It was so much occupying every aspect of life, whether it was scientists, whether it were doctors, whether it was bureaucrats, whether it was politicians, whether it was economists, every aspect of professionals or any profession, they all were concerned with nothing else. They were putting their heads together to find out a solution how to fight this corona. This was like an elephant in the room. Or initially there were like 5 blind men. Everyone was thinking from his angle how to fight it out and how to win. How to prevent the society from sinking. How to prevent this misery, of untold misery of people dying of COVID and secluded from each other, being confined to the homes. But then always when the minds are put together, they present brilliant results, beautiful results. And one of them was that we only found vaccine as an ultimate solution to begin with to prevent this spread of pandemic. So the vaccine was formed. Thank you. In the next episode, I will tell you about what is vaccine and how does it work. Thank you.